Hello guys, your friend Roshan here from CodeGreekIT, and today we will learn about very most important topic, which is on security. Yeah guys, on security. If you have a good business, if you have a good online earning websites and your site is not secure, then it is a very big issue. Someone can easily hack your website and it's really impact on your business. So how you can make your website secure, I will show you in this tutorial. But before you are new on our channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe button, so I will get bit motivation from your side to make this type of video for you guys. And if you are like this video, please don't forget to share and like. So without any ado, let's get started. So first plugin in my list is All1 WP Security Firewall. So in this plugin, you can see many people is installing their website. Good activation. You can see good activation and as well as good rating as well. So we can download this plugin. I have already downloaded because I want to show you guys. Now let's install it in our website and show you the many options available in this plugin, which is make your website secure. So let's click on upload plugin and let's drag and drop our downloaded plugin. It will take some time guys to install this plugin. Okay, great. Plugin successfully installed. Now we need to activate this plugin. So plugin is activated. Now we will see the option of this plugin. So we need to go on setting option. Yes, here is you can see. Okay, so let's start step by step. So first step is general setting. So you can see debug setting option here, disable firewall rules, disable security features, WP. So this plugin also provide the backup option of your database. Okay, so you can take database backup from this here as well. Let's click on it. Here as you can see, you can take your backup on your email ID, which is you register with your WordPress site. Now we will see second option, which is user account. Okay, so it's my account. So whatever user in this website, it will show you here, and you can easily edit user. You can also see the display name or change password as well. Now user login. It's a really good option, login lockdown. So if you want to someone try to attempt 3 times, then you can set here, or after 3 times it will be time period some which you can mention here. You can do your setting as per your requirement. Okay, and it will also notify you, as you know. As you can see your register email ID, if someone try to access your website and login attempt is failed, then it will get your it will notify you on your email ID. Let's move on failed login record. So it will also display the IP if someone failed try to log in your website. So their record is also available in this, and you can see on which country or which state the guy try to access your website. You can see a account activity log as well. Or you can export the data as well in CSV file. Now we will go to another tab, user registration. So you can set security settings for registered user as well, like you can set Google Captcha. Okay, so let's see the first Google Captcha option. Yeah, you can enable Google Captcha from this plugin as well. So someone try to register your website, they make to fill out the Google Captcha or verify from Google Captcha. You can, if you don't want to put Google Captcha, then you can also approve manually. If someone new user can register on website, you can see this user is okay or not, and you can approve manually. So very good option in this plugin. You can see they provide setting for login, they provide setting for register, they provide setting for login attempts, and also provide the IP. So let's move on another option, database security as well. So you can see the cover of the all of the area. Now we click on database security, and you can see after that file security also available. Yeah, it's a very good option. DB prefix, you can change WordPress prefix as well. As you know, WP is a default prefix for WordPress. So if hacker try to hack your website, then they know WordPress have a default prefix WP. So you can change prefix as well for the security purpose, and DB backup as well. Yeah, this plugin also provides the database backup option. You can schedule your backup every day as well. If you want to take your website backup on particular time on a day, you can also do this. So you can make configuration based on your requirement in this plugin. And it's a free plugin, guys. Don't forget this. It's a free plugin. So many more options in free plugins. Now we move to file system security plugin. Okay, so what the, yeah, you can see the file permission in this setting, which file over which permission. So you can see all the details from here as well. Recommended permission, current permission, or you can change and modify permission from here as well. WP file access. I am not making in too much details because we need to show another plugin as well. If you want me to do in really details, please mention in comment, so I will make in more details. If you want to prevent WP default installed file, then you can also prevent. And in this plugin also option, if you want to block someone from particular IP, you can also do this. I will show you guys. Blacklist manager. Here is, guys, if you want to block someone from particular IP which is spamming you continuously, you can set their IP here and it will block. So it's a really good feature of this plugin. You can set also firewall as well. You can see guys, there are many options in this plugin. You can cover up your whole website and make it very secure. So I am not doing all the setting, or I am not showing you all the setting, because if I show you all the setting then video is too long, and I need to also show you the another plugin. So I'm just briefly over you. So it's a firewall, and you can see the enable basic firewall protection your website. If you want to enable, then you can enable it from here, and you can also set the maximum upload size from here as well. Max upload size, as you can see, 10 MB default is set. If you want to 50 and 20, then you can set from here. And block access as well, ping back functionality as well. Let's move on another option, brute force. Here is the also notice here. This feature can lock out admin if doesn't work currently on your website. So it's like if admin is not correctly working on website, it will block you. And yes, as you know, WordPress have a default slug, like if you want to access login page, then you can enter in URL like wp admin or wp-login. If you want to change that slug, then you can change from here as well. So it's a good thing, and prevent for most of these as well. You can also do spam prevention. You can scan your website as well. Here is the malware scanner. Perform scan. If you want to scan your website and remove the malware from your website, you can do from here as well. So in this one plugin, there are provide many options, like for registration, you login, Google captcha, block. You can block from anyone from their IP, stop spamming, and another option is you can scan your website as well. And it's a free plugin, guys. I'm again remind you, it's a free plugin, and there are lots of options you can see here. Also, yeah, backup is also available in this plugin, your database backup. So in one plugin, what do you expect? Enable front-end lockout. Check if you want to all visitor express the Google login and administrator to be locked out front-end. So this plugin, this features is also available. General visitor is locked out. If you want to lock, you can set your custom message here as well. And let's have a look last option. So here is the option, it's enable copy protection. Yeah, this option for if you want someone is try to copy on your website content or images, or if they are developers, they can copy from inspect element, as you know. If you want to stop that type of stuff, then you can click on it and enable this option, so no one can copy your content or images from your website, even developer as well. So it's a good option, guys. So here is finish all the option. Hope you guys see the many more option in this plugin, and it's a free plugin. You can see register, login, database backup, IP blocking, spamming, also scanning your website. So there are many more options in just one plugin, and it's a free plugin. So guys, I will recommend you to use this plugin and secure your website. And yeah, if someone try to logging your website and it's failed, it also notify you as well. So guys, it's the best plugin I think. And let's show you the second plugin. It's called WordPress security plugin. You can use this plugin as well, but their plugin don't test much features like I will show you in this plugin. So some feature is missing in this plugin, but it's also the good plugin and good activation rate as well and good rating as well, guys. Let's show you the rating and activation. You can see 3 million or activation as well, and it's compatible with WordPress as well. So it's also good plugin. You can see the good rating as well. So guys, if you want me to do detailed video on this plugin as well with each and every option, so please mention in comment. I will make you details video on this plugin as well. If 50 people will ask me in comment, do video on this plugin in detail, I will surely do. So please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want me to do video on this plugin, please mention in comment. So I will see your comments and make video on it. Thank you guys. Keep supporting me and keep secure your websites.